Today we learn how to create text by using Microsoft Excel. First you select blank workbook and click cell and type anything. I type how to learn type text by using Excel. You can change the font. First you select the text and go to this. You can use any font. I am choosing Arial and select it. You can see this and you want to expand this and go to select all this one and merge and center and create borders and middle align and center, and you can color the text. I am choosing red color and you can scale it. Font size, increase the font size. You can see I am changing the font size. I am choose 16 and you can change the background color also. I am choosing yellow color. Okay, thanks joining with my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.